It is good to be familiar with Japanese words which are commonly used while shopping. Stay tuned and you will find out. Hello, my name is Hide and welcome to another episode of Japanese Unlimited. If you are new to our channel and wish to watch our previous episode, just click here. In this video, we will teach you some of the common words and expressions which are commonly used while shopping. Let's start. それでは始めましょう。Please listen and look at the table on your screen.
お使い Daily errands 買い物 Shopping ショッピング Shopping 店商店 Shop 商店街 Shopping street Arcade スーパー Supermarket 薬局 Pharmacy 酒屋 Liquor store 花屋 Flower shop クリーニング屋 Dry cleaning shop デパート Department store デパ地下 Basement food hall in a department store コンビニ Convenience store 客 Customer レジ Cash register お釣りお返し Change 保証書 Warranty
I hope these expressions will help you to enjoy shopping here in Japan. You may always watch this video to look back the expressions mentioned. Have a happy shopping! Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. And also, please hit the bell button if you wish to be notified every time we upload a brand new lesson video. Because in this channel, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on our next video. またね